Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change voice prompt volume for your earbuds EDIFIER NeoDots. You have to start by open EDIFIER Connect application, and of course you need to add these earbuds to the app. After that you go to the settings at the right top, and right here we have prompt volume. Tap at this line, and right here we can set the volume. So to increase the volume you need to move this slider to the right, and to lower it you need to move the slider to the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!